Jennifer-Biana and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz. And let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post. And my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow, come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything's very, very girly, so come through. Also, if you haven't heard, I have my first single out on Spotify and iTunes right now. So it is If It Was Bad Before, It Won't Be Bad Now, and you guys should totally check it out. She's my baby and I love her. Hi. This is so overdone. There is no saving this. I'll take the blame for this. There is no saving this. If I try, it'll only hurt you. These things I've done that you would never do. It's a mess, it's a mess, it's a mess. This video, I thought that one video would be enough, but you guys have been like Instagram messaging me and like really requesting me to make more wallpapers. Try to like make new fun tips and tricks and style things right now. We're gonna make some more iPhone wallpapers for y'all. But first, before we get into this video, y'all, it's flu season. I'm sick. I've been sick. I got sick already so many times. I'm over it. I'm over being sick and I need more hand sanitizer in my life. I had this really cute company just send me a couple hand sanitizers and I just wanted to show you guys because they're really adorable. It's a brand called Touchland and they're so freaking cute. Refined premium hand sanitizer and it hydrates and softens skin because girly, sometimes I'll be using hand sanitizer and my hands get so dry and crusty afterwards, but this is meant to like hydrate your skin and sanitize your hands. And it comes in like 8 different fragrances. And by the way, they're like super aesthetic. Like I can't wait to show you guys. Oh my god, they're so cute. And also, if you do buy them, they send a bunch of hand sanitizers to developing countries every time someone buys like a couple of these. So that is just really sweet because developing countries 100% need sanitizers. So yeah. So these are 4 power mists and I'm so excited to show you. They're like so aesthetic. I got the scent mint. I got the scent citrus, lavender, and watermelon. Comes like this. And here it is. First of all, it's aesthetic. Oh my god, I love the watermelon scent. Okay, I highly recommend the watermelon scent. That was so lovely. Oh my god, the watermelon scent smells so good. Oh, that's so fresh. It's so nice. Okay, yeah, so these are how they all look. And they're like relatively huge, like they're like the size of my palm. These are so nice to have. I am so happy they sent me these. They're like amazing. So the link will be down below in the description if you want to get your own because they're so cute. Just had to give y'all a good little, oop, this company's cute and it's flu season. So I'll be making 3 new wallpapers. So let's get with it. Okay, so the first thing that I love doing when I first make my iPhone wallpapers is to go on Pinterest. Hi, this is my Pinterest if you want to come through iPhone wallpaper. And they give a lot of good backgrounds, but I just love putting quotes on it. This one's really cute, but it's a little Christmas. It's still snowing, and so maybe we'll use that one. I also typed in iPhone wallpaper chic and I saw this one and I'm really not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I think it's like really cute. I also put in like iPhone wallpaper lovely and I found this and I think this is so elegant, like I love it. My favorite app to edit all of these photos is PS Express right here. When I come up with words, I usually go on my Pinterest because I have like a bunch of good quotes. It kind of gives me like work vibes, get shit done. Like I feel like that phrase would be really cute here. Ooh, this one's gonna be nice actually. Oh my god, wait, I actually really like that. Okay, I love that. So I'm gonna save that. I think I need to move it a little bit down. So this is like a good way to see. You have to save it and then see because sometimes when you make wallpapers, it'll like, you see how there was like some black space up there? We don't want that, we want it to be full. So yeah, this is like perfect. This is so elegant and girly. Oh my god, wait, like I love how this came out and this was so easy. Hold up, like I love this. So let's see what I could add. Here's another tip. If you want any fun overlays, sometimes I put Tumblr transparent and then I look through all of these cool things. So I'm gonna go into my Photoshop Mix app.
I'm gonna see how I like it with the Eiffel Tower. Popped it right here, so let's save this to camera roll, and then I want to add like one cute thing to write. Appreciate everything. I just really hate those lines. No, actually, what you could do is you could go to fill and then just zoom in like a lot, and then you could like erase anything. If something's not giving you what you want, just make it yourself. Okay, I figured out what I'm gonna do, so I'm just gonna get more birds. So I'm gonna add some here, and I'm gonna add another layer. We're just gonna add so many birds, y'all. Actually, you know what else I'm gonna add? I know, I'm insane. So I'm going back into the text app, and I'm gonna get the same exact font. Yeah, it is. But make the color like really pretty. Just overlaid it with a different color so that it looks a little cuter. So here it is. This is so cute. Okay, now I'm like so happy with it. So cute. I love it. It's so girly and pretty. Oh my god, okay. So now I'm just gonna do a quick and easy like wintry one. Just enjoy. But I need to find a cute quote. Oh, that one's nice actually. I like this one. I really like this color. I think this is perfect. Just enjoy where you are now. Super easy, super quick. This one's so lovely. I love this for winter. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.